So these are the Orion-Tr smart chargers. I use these as step-down chargers for my 24-volt battery bank to my 12-volt battery bank. They control the charge. They monitor they keep my 12-volt batteries charged off my 24-volt. My 24-volt bank is my main bank. And then I have two batteries. Each one is my engine start battery and one is my house battery. As you can see, they're labeled. And I think they're both 8D batteries. That's the size. Lead acid. And these keep them charged. And they communicate with the Serbo GX. So I know what the state of charge is on those batteries. And they work great. Love them. They just sit there and do their job. We've had these for 3 years. I've never had a problem with them. I love Victron. They're a great product. They're safe, reliable. Knock on wood.
Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.